Now let's review the cash management module. Within cash, there are a few options. Cash processing. We've already sort of seen this in the accounts receivable module overview. This is where you would go to process all of your cash receipts. Any customer payments that come in, you can process them from in here, or you can process credit card transactions, cash deposits, or bank transactions. You can enter the transactions in the screen and optionally then apply those payments to customer invoices. Next screen is bank account reconciliation. This screen provides you the ability to reconcile your bank accounts. You can either start a new one or select an existing reconciliation. And you can select what bank account you want to reconcile, the beginning balance, and the statement date and the ending balance. And Beyond will display to you a list of all the transactions that were processed and provide an option to clear these records. So if this check cleared, I can select cleared. And then it updates the total buckets along the bottom. It'll display the total uncleared and the total cleared payments, deposits, and adjustments, and show you how far you're out of balance based on your beginning and ending balance and what you've cleared. Once you're in balance, you can save, post this reconciliation, and move on for next month or your next bank account. In addition, there's a bank reconciliation report in case you need help tracking something down. And on this report, it shows a summary of the bank reconciliation, the total of all the cleared adjustments, payments, documents, the calculated ending balance versus the entered ending balance, and lists out all the uncleared transactions, including details about the reference number, the user, the amount, and the date. Cash management also has two other features. One is a petty cash screen. You can use this to track petty cash accounts. I'll select an existing one. So you can define certain cash accounts as petty cash accounts and fund them for a certain amount. And then as things get used, you can easily add detail lines to track what that expense was for. Add the line, save it, and move on. Once you're done, you can post this and it'll actually create the journal transaction for you. Finally, there's a company credit card transaction screen. This screen allows you to import company credit card transactions from the credit card's website and then either automatically match those transactions to existing transactions in the system or spawn new transactions such as vendor invoices to account for those expenses. To see it in action, you would first select your credit card account, and then we can import our file. The file needs to be in an OFX, QFX, or QBO file format. Once selected and you select import, it will import the transactions from that file, and then we'll attempt to match them. So we can see this particular one, it automatically matched for us. It found a matching transaction, and we can see the matching details over on the right. This one we can see automatically created a transaction for us. It recognized the vendor and was able to create a payment and invoice for us. And these other two were unmatched, so we can either select Find Matching Transactions and manually match it up to something in the system, or we can create the transactions on the fly. We can create an invoice on the fly, and we can create the payment on the fly if need be.